This week's feast.
Marinette Soup from Miraculous Ladybug.
Let's make a world-renowned soup and load it with all of the flavors. Start by cutting up celery, dicing an onion, and adding it to a pan and cooking until it's translucent and tender. Loosely cut up some cauliflower, peel a large purple sweet potato and cut that into chunks, and do the same for some purple carrots. Drizzle olive oil on top of these ingredients and toss them together, and then add them to a greased baking pan and bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they've softened, add them to a food processor with your celery and onions, some water, and puree the vegetables until they're fully blended together. In a large sauce pot, add your purple mixture, heavy cream, and stir together with smoked paprika and pepper. Cook for 5 more minutes, adding salt and pepper as needed. In a small bowl, whisk creme fraiche together with turmeric until it becomes a golden color. Finally, add your soup mixture to a bowl, smooth out the tops if necessary, and swirl in some creme fraiche topped with an edible flower and green leaf. As always, these episodes are brought to you by our lovely patrons at patreon.com/feastoffiction, and we call out one lucky patron each episode. So this week's feast is dedicated to...
Who's that patron? It's Eric Garcia! Garcia.
And voila, Marinette's perfect purple soup from Miraculous Ladybug. You'll be more than ready to fight any forces of evil with this delicious soup filling your belly and keeping you ready to rock and roll. Of course, Jagged Stone with his already purple hair knows what we're talking about when it comes to that. Let's eat up.
Chang Seafood, your delicious celestial soup has received the highest marks of all, making you the final winner!
And it will soon be the Mayor's Special on the restaurant menu of my prestigious hotel.
Here we are.
Yes. Cheers.
So pretty.
Double cheers.
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Wow, that is so good. I would expect no less from a world-renowned chef.
Wow.
Well, I have to eat the flour too, right?
Sure.
That's the
Totally edible.
That's the part of it. Tastes pretty bland.
Like a flower.
Like a flour, yeah. Wow.
That smoked paprika is amazing.
Yeah.
I love the little bite of turmeric creme fraiche. That's so good.
Turmeric.
Adds to it.
By the way, if you guys work out, if you're into fitness and your joints ever hurt, turmeric. #1 natural remedy to helping relieve joint pain. Yeah.
And obviously a super cool way to tint food in a natural way.
Very much natural. Still very tasty.
Beautiful yellow color.
Fits the flavor profile of this soup as well. I'm eating this really fast.
Well, this is delicious.
All right, Eric. Out of 10 stars, I give it 10.
All right. Out of 10 stars, I give it 10.
Yay! We are in agreement.
This is a 10-star recipe, you guys. It's delicious. It's packed full of nutrients in a really great way. It's purple, so really pretty, really Instagrammable. So if that's not reason enough to make this soup for your friends and for your family, I don't know what is.
Yeah, I don't know what it is either. You know what? You know what's also 10 stars?
What's that?
You, our fans, our favorite people on the planet. A lot of people have recommended this recipe. I got to watch the episode. It's a really cute show. It's like very wholesome. They in this episode they also speak a lot of Chinese, which was really cool.
Neat.
Yeah, because her the main character is Chinese and her uncle comes this renowned chef. So share to all of you for watching this episode. Also a big thank you to all of our patrons who make this show possible at patreon.com/feastoffiction. They help decide our next recipes. They get to hang out with us on Discord. And also, we're going to shout them all out very soon. Our first 151 patrons. How exciting.
It is. Thank you guys all so much. And as always, if you have comments, suggestions, anything you want to say, we'll see it. We'll read it. Put it down in the comment section below.
Yeah, and we will see you next time.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Bye.